Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by installing and enabling Google Keyboard. Open Play Store and install Gboard. Make sure your Android version meets the app requirements. Once installed, go to Settings, then General Management, then Language and Input. Tap on-screen Keyboard to see available keyboards, enable Gboard and grant requested permissions. After that, return to Language and Input and set default keyboard to Gboard so your system uses it by default. This sets the foundation for customizing behavior and shortcuts later. Now customize Gboard so typing suits you. Open the Gboard app from your app drawer. You can change themes, keyboard height, and layout to match one-handed or split modes. Enable glide typing for faster swipes, toggle voice typing if you use speech input, and adjust autocorrect aggressiveness and emoji suggestions. Add languages and reorder them. Add words to your personal dictionary so the keyboard learns. Once done, test in a message app to confirm the layout, corrections, and predictions behave as you expect. Finish by configuring advanced Gboard features and verifying system integration. Open Gboard settings to enable clipboard for copy-paste history, adjust text correction options like auto-capitalization, and set keyboard shortcuts for quick phrases. Make sure you can switch keyboards from the navigation bar or keyboard icon when you need Samsung keyboard temporarily. If keys lag or predictions are wrong, clear Gboard cache or app data. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall, and make sure Samsung keyboard isn't set to force itself as default in system settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.